everyone, it's Karen from Be Green Bath & Body, and I'm here today to talk to you about our Calendula Cream. Lots of our customers that have skin conditions have great success with this Calendula Cream. So if you're looking for a cream to soothe and moisturize dry skin, lots of different rashes, you'll have a lot of success with this. It's good for all skin types, and it can be used on young children and infants as well. So let me show you what it looks like. It's a whitish, yellowish cream. It's a pretty thick cream. It's not gonna fall out of the jar. We do request that you use clean, dry hands when putting your hands into the cream because it's naturally preserved and you don't wanna have any nasties growing in there. So we recommend that you always have clean, dry hands. So what does it feel like and what does it look like? How much do you need? So I have a little sample jar of it here. And what I'll do is basically, I'm just taking a tiny little bit. As you can see, it's not even a pea-sized amount. And I'm gonna rub that right into wherever I have the rash. So this cream is an emulsion. An emulsion means it's a mixture of oils and waters. And it's going to rub in very nicely. It's not gonna be greasy at all. What's in this? So we start with an organic olive oil that we infuse in-house with calendula petals. It also has some coconut oil in it and some beeswax in it. I think that you'll find that it's incredibly mild, made with just a few ingredients, and it will be perfect for whatever skin condition or rash that you have. As always, if you have any questions about any of our products, please feel free to email me, support@begreenbathandbody.com. Thank you.